Okay, so in this module, whenever we'll ask ChatGPT to any question, so provide some hypothetical question to ChatGPT so that we can get more better response from ChatGPT. Okay, so hypothetical question means, so let's go to the example. So here, suppose you are asking to ChatGPT that discuss future technology. So again, it's a very broad question you are asking to ChatGPT. But instead of that, what you can ask, discuss the potential impact of ChatGPT on future job market, considering a scenario where AI becomes widely adopted. Okay, so here the hypothetical question is, consider that a scenario consider a scenario where AI becomes widely adopted. So you are again telling ChatGPT to visualize those things, visualize those days. So you are providing a hypothetical question. You are asking ChatGPT that when consider a scenario where AI becomes widely adopted. So in that time, discuss a potential impact of AI on future job market. So if this, then what will happen? Okay, so you are you are providing a hypothetical question. Okay, so again, the example number 2, explain ethics. So instead of that, what you can ask, explain the ethical implications of genetic engineering using a hypothetical, this is the phase, using see using a hypothetical using a hypothetical scenario where it is used to eradicate disease. Okay, so this is your hypothetical question. So you are asking ChatGPT that explain the ethical implications of genetic engineering using a hypothetical scenario. So you are telling ChatGPT that you create a hypothetical scenario where it is used to eradicate disease. Okay, again, the example number 3. Suppose you are asking ChatGPT to discuss space exploration. This is again a basic question you are asking to ChatGPT, so it will provide a generic answer. So instead of that, you can create a hypothetical question. What is that? Discuss the challenges and opportunities of colonizing Mars, imagining a scenario. Hypothetical question you are asking, imagining a scenario where the first human settlement is established. So you imagine those things where, imagine a scenario is, you imagine that thing where the first human settlement is established. So you are creating pressure on ChatGPT that you think, you visualize those things. Yeah, you are providing a hypothetical question to ChatGPT. So provide me the solution based on this. Based on what? Based on you imagine a scenario where the first human settlement is established. Okay, so let's go to the practical session. Let's see how it responds. Suppose discuss future technology. So it will provide a generic answer, I guess. Nothing more detailed information I did not provide, so it will provide a generic answer. So what is technology? Artificial intelligence and machine learning, quantum computing, all the details it has provided. A generic answer, biotechnology and genetic engineering, renewable energy and sustainability, space exploration and colonization, then again Internet of Things and smart cities, autonomous vehicles. So all the details it has given me. Okay, it's a detailed information it has given. For idea purpose it is okay, for education purpose, for knowledge purpose it is okay, but I don't need it for time being. I need some specific answer like this. So I am telling ChatGPT that you consider a scenario. I am providing a hypothetical question. I am providing a hypothetical situation to ChatGPT. You create a scenario where AI becomes widely adopted. So you just visualize those things and provide me the answer. What will be the impact of AI on future job? So now it's providing me more specific answer based on my requirement. It's saying job displacement and transformation, so automation of routine task, manufacturing and production, administrative and clerical work, AI argument roles, then creation of new job categories, skills and educations, economic and social implications, industry specified impact, ethical and regulatory consideration, global perspectives. So all the detailed information. So I told ChatGPT that discuss the potential impact of AI on future job market. So how it will impact the future job market? Imagine that uh, mm, um, imagine that scenario, that when AI become the governor, AI will rule out the world. So that time, what will be the job market? So I told ChatGPT to create a scenario on it. I told ChatGPT to visualize those days. Okay, so accordingly, it has created the content. So it will be more specific. So it is very I think you understood the concept, and it is very powerful keyword, hypothetical question. So accordingly, you need to write your prompt. Again, suppose here I am asking discuss space exploration. It will provide me a generic answer. What is space exploration, how it works, and all the detailed information it will provide. Key objectives and missions, lunar exploration, then Mars exploration, then advancement in technology, then habits and life support. Okay, scientific goals and discoveries. Okay, all the detailed information it will provide. It is good for learning purpose, it is good for knowledge purpose, education purpose. It is good. For time being, I don't need it. I need okay, so you can check. So what all the details it has provide. Scientific goals and discoveries, then it has given private sector involvement, then it has given international cooperation and policies, challenges and consideration. So all the detailed information it has provided. Okay, so now I will specify my prompt. So I will tell ChatGPT, imagine this scenario. I will provide a hypothetical question to ChatGPT that imagine that imagine that scenario, and you will provide me the answer. So I am asking discuss the challenges and opportunities. So challenges and opportunity of colonizing Mars. Imagining a scenario where the first human settlement is established. So now see how it responds. Okay, so what kind of challenges it is given? Then challenges, again the challenges, life support and sustainability. So oxygen production, water supply, food production, infrastructure and technology, psychological and social challenges, opportunities. So it has given me a lot of detailed information based on my requirement. So it has given based on my, I told that imagine a scenario where the first human settlement is established. So accordingly, you create my content. You provide the challenges and opportunities of colonizing Mars. Okay. So yeah, now you can see the quality of the content. It's more powerful. It is more detailed and valuable. Okay, so what you can do, so I think it is pretty clear to you that how you can use the hypothetical question for your prompt. So whenever you are asking anything to ChatGPT, if it is possible, you can create a hypothetical question to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT will provide the better answer, provide the accurate answer, most possible answer it will provide. Okay, so you are actually creating some pressure on ChatGPT, and it will provide the better response. So I think it's pretty clear to you. So you create your own example based on your industry, based on your niche, and practice it, and I'm sure you will get the better version. Okay, so that's it for this video. We will meet in the last video and the next video of the beginner to intermediate course. Okay, so yeah, hope to see you in that video.